Les from Ridgid. I'm here with the 153 quick acting tubing cutter, designed for metallic and plastic tubing. You'll notice the larger I-beam construction with some really good ergonomic large X CEL handle, which gets you around the tubing much quicker. And you've got the fast acting, push it in to locate it onto the tube. In the handle, you have a spare cutting wheel. You can also have a separate cutting wheel in for different material if you want to make it more productive. And you've got the X CEL toolless blade change pin, which saves time on the job site, no more lost pins or springs. The 153 quick acting tubing cutter.